Okay. In this video, I hope first that you are good. Me, I'm very good. I have a lot of things to say in this video. That is, I think, it will be good that you follow until the end. Here in this video, we spoke about Gukara, no Gukarira. And yes, for example, here before I didn't know the difference between that two things. And to say the truth, the change to live here in Burundi, and every day I have time to what is it? Why is different? Why you can do that? Why you can say something like that? All the chance to have possibility to ask question every day, every day, every day. It's make me very easy to to encourage some other people who want to learn Kirundi or not even Kinyarwanda. Is that why I put you to give effort to take lessons with us? Let's go with the video. First, we will listen the teacher. I don't know if the voice is good because of the raining day, but today you will receive a lot of knowledge with Gukara and Gukarira. It's something very a small difference, but this small difference makes something also different. The sense are very different. Is that we will see on this video.
kubera iki mudashobora kumva ivyo umuntu yababwiye ubu nyene mwese ndababone mwasohotse hanze atana mwasigaye ngaha imisi yose uri ku kazi utegerezwa kwitwararika ibikorwa vyawe vyose raba nk'ibi ibi nibi raba ingene wabigize nabi wavyononye ubu nyene bisubiremwo vyose uhereye ku ntango.
Okay. Let's start with definition. Gukara is to say something or to do something that's with angry, with pain. Or gukarira is like more to say something to another guys, another people. Is that very important? Kugira abantu bakangamira bikavuga inshavu gukarira. And I think it's here that I will put more attention about the difference. It's like gukarira is like to be. It's like in action to be to another people. It's like gukarira more. No, it's like to be angry on people, on other people. Is that the difference? It's on someone, on someone. I would write like that. Abantu sur une personne, on people. And here is more Gukara, kugira yuko ushobora kugira yuko mama yakatse, but it's also something to say. Okay, you can be angry, or not very angry. I think you can be. I said to be angry, but it's more. You can to be strict. It's more that to be strict. You can be strict with a person, or to be strict with thing. Also with thing. With your work, the way of you are doing. You are strict. You are strict with your with the work. Yes, with your work. You are strict with the way of working. And when you are, is that for this kind of saying is like Gukara. But another thing for Gukarira is like to be strict for someone, to someone. It's like to say, to be strict to. It's like, yes. If I need to give a definition, I will say to be strict more here. And here is to be strict to someone. I think that's very clear. I think it's very, very clear if you have time to think about that. Also, to learn Kirundi, you need time from meditation. Why I say meditation? Sometimes you can say something in Kirundi after you meditate about how me I said how the other people speak, and you try to speak like other people. It's like to listen to think about how I can speak also me which way I can use and which way I can speak better Kirundi like people in Burundi. To say the truth, I wanted to share with you a video, but I think I will share with people we are speaking more in the group. It's like a video of someone in Canada was speaking Kirundi. But I was very happy, it's like to see what's born in Canada. But Kirundi was very, no, I don't like to just to speak and to say, because sometimes you can be in the same case and you don't notice. And it's like to understand less. Even if now you listen my English, I said, oh, okay, I need more way of practice to be like other, to be easy with other people. And I know that I need more practice, but I speak. I understand that. I know that you can understand what I say. You know, it's that way of thinking you need to have. It's a mindset that you need to have if you want to speak Kirundi or other language. To know that, okay, I'm not already yet arrived. Every day I need to put a new, to do something new, to know something new. Because there are a lot of things, too much things. I don't have, sometimes you can go in comparison with other people to say, I must speak better than you. No. When I was listening, I was saying, I say, he's courageous. He have courage to speak. And it's what I notice. I not competition. It's something that you said, okay, I know that I'm not good. I need to speak. If I want to speak more good, I need to continue to speak, even if I make some mistake. Is that why sometimes you can see here in Burundi some people from Congo speak very well because they use it. And the importance of use is more important of listen or to follow channel. Is that why it's very important to take time to go in the formation with us. Okay, thank you.